For those of you who don't know how to wear contact lens, I'm going to be showing you how to wear contact lens in a split second. But before that, let me introduce these tools to you. This is a tweezer that you'll be using to pick the contact lens from the pack, and this is a picker that you use to apply the contact lens. Okay, now I want to quickly correct something before we apply the contact lens. Okay, if you check this, for those of you who are new to wearing contact lens, you will see the sign. We have the arrow sign and the L sign. Yeah, the arrow sign and the L sign, okay, which indicates your right and left, your right and your left eye. So for the very first time you're removing your contact lens from this pack, if you're putting, like this one is in my right hand, you're going to remove it after you're done for the bowl. Then you remove it and put it on that arrow sign which indicates your right. Okay, if you're removing the one from your left, you put it in the L sign. Please do not change it after you've finished putting them in their separate signs. Okay, the one you're using for your left should not go to your right. The one you're using for your right should not go to your left. So don't make that mistake. So I'm using the tweezer to pick it. Oh my god, I got some dirt on the solution. Okay, so I'm using the tweezer, but before you start this process, you have to ensure that you wash your hands properly. Okay, you pick, can you see it? My hand's a bit shaky though. Then you place it on the picker like this. Very easy. So now we are going to apply it, so you know it's not that difficult. Okay, then you open your eyes very wide and you bend your head. I don't know what's going on. Okay, that is supposed to be easy, but let's do this. Okay, my eyes a bit shaky here. Just like that. Now you're going to close it because you have a little bubble inside. Close, gently use your hand to massage. Enough. I'm tearing up. It's totally normal, guys. It's totally normal. If you're tearing up, it's totally normal. I had to come and show you guys this side of the process. It's totally normal. Okay. My hair's just got a bit red. Now don't forget, this is a new contact lens. Okay, you need some time for it to get used to your eyes. Okay, that's that for that. If you need any contact lens, just send me a message. Okay, the prices will be listed on the caption.